Can you believe that on this earth a company exists which has stopped fully hiring humans and gave the jobs entirely to AI bots? Let's explore this thing in this video. In a world where technology evolves faster than ever before, the traditional workforce faces unprecedented challenges. Are we witnessing the dawn of a new era where machines outpace human capability? Let's delve into the extraordinary claims made by Klarna's CEO and explore the profound implications for our jobs.
Intelligence Studio. Do subscribe and like the video.
Hello and welcome to our channel where we dive deep into the most pressing technological developments of our time. Today we're discussing Klarna, a leading fintech company renowned for its buy now, pay later services. Klarna has recently garnered significant attention, not for its financial services, but for a bold statement by its CEO, Sebastian Siemiatkowski. He asserts that artificial intelligence, or AI, is now capable of handling nearly all tasks traditionally performed by human employees. This claim has sparked widespread discussions about the future of human employment. According to the 2024 Global AI Jobs Barometer by PwC, sectors exposed to AI have witnessed nearly a fivefold increase in labor productivity. Furthermore, job postings requiring AI skills have grown 3.5 times faster than all other job postings since 2016. These statistics underscore the transformative impact of AI on global job markets. This shift is reminiscent of the Industrial Revolution, a pivotal era when technological advancements profoundly altered workforce dynamics. Back then, many traditional jobs were replaced by machines, paving the way for new industrial employment opportunities. Today, AI is reshaping the modern workplace in a similar fashion. About a year ago, Klarna ceased hiring new staff, leading to a natural reduction of its workforce from 4,500 to 3,500 employees, largely due to the 20% annual attrition rate typical in tech firms. Instead of replacing exiting employees, Klarna chose to let its workforce gradually diminish, thereby facilitating further automation and AI integration. Sebastian Siemiatkowski assured that this transition would not adversely affect the salaries of existing employees. In fact, as overall salary expenses decrease due to fewer staff, the savings could potentially lead to increased pay for those who remain. This decision reflects a broader trend, as highlighted by a McKinsey & Company report from 2023, which predicts that millions of workers may need to transition into new roles by 20s as AI continues to advance. Klarna's approach aligns with sentiments shared by other tech giants. IBM, for instance, has shown strong support for AI and automation. In an interview with Bloomberg, IBM's CEO, Arvind Krishna, mentioned that some jobs could be replaced by AI over the next 5 years, including roles within human resources. He predicted that 30% of these roles could potentially be automated within this period. This aligns with the broader sentiment expressed by the late renowned physicist Stephen Hawking, who once warned, "The rise of powerful AI will be either the best or the worst thing ever to happen to humanity." This quote captures the dual nature of AI's impact, offering significant advancements and efficiencies while posing challenges to traditional employment models. A report by the World Economic Forum suggests that AI and robotics could displace around 85 million jobs by 2025, but simultaneously create 97 million new roles that are more adapted to the new division of labor between humans, machines, and algorithms. This supports Siemiatkowski's optimism that AI integration could lead to better compensation for those remaining in the workforce. Experiments by OpenAI into conversational agents and Google's AI-driven data analysis tools have demonstrated AI's potential to revolutionize industries further. These advancements highlight the importance of adapting to new technologies, as echoed by former U.S. President Barack Obama, who stated, "The real opportunity for success lies within the person and not in the job." This underscores the value of individual adaptability and continuous learning in an ever-evolving job market. In conclusion, Klarna's strategic shift towards AI and reduced hiring exemplifies the global trend of AI reshaping employment practices. As companies worldwide navigate this transition, the emphasis on upskilling and adapting to new roles becomes more pertinent than ever. The evolving role of AI in the workforce presents both challenges and opportunities, urging individuals and organizations alike to embrace change and innovation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more discussions on the future of work and technology. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue the conversation.
And do subscribe to the channel.